Hey guys, I want to go ahead and talk about solving this type of problem, combining like terms. And if you notice, I have a lot of different terms. There's no equal sign here. So you have to be careful because a lot of students think, oh, I can solve for x or y, and that's not the case. So what I want to go ahead and do is just combine things that are alike. And if you notice here, we have 4x squared, and we have here another 2x squared. So these two are going to go together. A lot of students think, oh, well, this becomes 16x, and they think they want to do the operations of exponents, but no, you don't need to do that. Remember, the x squares, if you do algebra tell, that means we have 4 of those. That's all we do. And right here we have 2 of these. So when we put these two guys together, we have a total of 6x squared. And remember, whatever is in front of the number, okay, that constant, that's the symbol that you want to use. So this guy is a positive 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 gives me that 6. Okay, and what I like to do is I kind of cross that out, take care of those. And then the next one I want to go ahead and do is the y's. So I take this guy, maybe circle it. So that's a positive 3y, and then over here I have a negative 5y. Okay, so I have positive 3 minus 5. You get confused, you know what? Go ahead and write it out. 3 positives minus minus minus. You have 5 negatives, and this makes a 0. So you're left with 2. So that's a negative 2. But what are we talking about? Well, we're talking about y's. Remember, we're just combining. We're not multiplying. We're not dividing. So I'm done with these two. So I can scratch that off. Next, what else can I combine? I have this negative 6 and this positive 8 right here, just like so. Okay, so negative 6 plus 8. If you want to go ahead and do your negatives, that's 4, 5, 6. Positives, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we can do 5, 6, 7, 8, and just start crossing them out. These guys cancel, simplify. This guy simplify. This one with this positive with that negative, and you notice you're left with 2. So negative 6 plus 8, that's positive 2. And then you have a 2xy. Now, what about this guy? This guy cannot be combined with anything else because it's an xy. You notice all these are different: x squared, y2, and xy. And when we write these, we want to go ahead and write them as in descending order. So we want the term with the highest exponent, the highest degree, to go first, and then goes my y, finally my xy, lastly my constant. Okay, and that's my answer. There's no equal sign, so this is just simplifying the expression. Alright, let me go ahead and give you one for you to do by yourself. See if you can do it. I'll make it 3x squared plus 6y minus 3x plus 4 minus 5x squared minus 2y plus 6x. Okay, see if you guys can do that, and I'll pause it. So again, when we go ahead and do that, combine 3x squared minus 5x squared, you should get negative 2x squared. Takes care of this guy, negative 3x, positive 6x right here. There's a plus sign in the front. So negative 3 plus 6, that's positive 3. Okay, this guy and this guy. Next, 6 minus 2y, well, that becomes 4y. 6, positive 6, minus 2, that's 4y. Takes care of that guy. And the last one, was a 4, just sitting there by himself. And that's it, guys. Combining like terms. Hope that helps, guys.